Hello, here is a step-by-step guide for completing tax form 3916 regarding your cryptocurrency exchange accounts like Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, Crypto.com, etc. The various resources to help you complete your income tax declaration in France are available in the description below. I have already made a detailed step-by-step tutorial for online income tax declaration and also offline income tax declaration. This includes people who are doing their first tax declaration in France. Here are the various income tax declaration forms published by the French tax department every year. You can download them from the links available in this video's description below. In this video, I will be explaining about the 3916 annexure used for declaring your foreign accounts held outside France. So, let us explore the 3916 tax form. The form 3916 is used for declaring your foreign accounts such as banks, brokerages, crypto exchanges, insurance policies, etc. In this video, we will be focusing on the declaration of your cryptocurrency exchange accounts. I have already made videos on foreign banks and brokerage accounts. The links are available in the description below. In the first page, we have the sections 1.1 and 1.2. In section 1.1, complete your basic details like name, date of birth, place of birth, and complete address on the 1st of January of this year. Section 1.2 is only applicable if either you or someone in your tax household does a commercial activity. If yes, enter the relevant details as explained on the screen. On the second page, we have sections 2, 3 and 4. In section 2, check the box for actives numerics. This means a cryptocurrency-related account. Then in section 3, you do not have to do anything. It is not applicable to crypto-related accounts. Then in section 4.1, enter your account number or the email ID used to open the cryptocurrency account. Then add the date of opening or closing the account from last year. So, if you opened or closed an account this year, you can only declare during next year's tax declaration. In section 4.2, add the 3-digit code corresponding to the crypto exchange that you are using. The codes are listed on the right side of the screen. If you do not find a code for your account, then it is highly recommended to not use such unrecognized crypto exchanges. For these accounts without a code, you must add the name of the crypto exchange, its complete postal address, and its website. In section 4.3, select if you are the actual account holder or if you are the beneficiary of a power of attorney to operate the account on behalf of the account holder. On the third page, we have sections 5, 6 and 7. In section 5, you must check the box related to the way in which the account is used. They are personal, professional, or a mix of both. If the account is for any professional purposes, you must add the various details of your company like its name, address, etc. Section 6 is only applicable if you had declared yourself as the power of attorney in section 1.1. If yes, complete the details of the actual account holder. Then in section 7, you do not have to do anything. It is only applicable to foreign insurance policies and similar accounts. Then on pages 5 to 7, you can find the official notes to help you complete the tax form 3916. Many frequently asked questions are answered on my website prasantragopathy.com under the income tax category. You can also ask your questions in the comments below and I will try to answer as much as possible. A few examples of these FAQs answered on the website. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of completing the tax form 3916 regarding your foreign cryptocurrency accounts. Remember, it's important to submit it on time and accurately to avoid any issues and penalties with the French tax department. Thanks for watching and happy filing. Please subscribe and support the channel for amazing content about expat life in France and also other European countries. Have a great day.